Hey, crypto enthusiasts! Welcome to the ultimate showdown between centralized finance, or CeFi, and decentralized finance, or DeFi. Buckle up because we're diving deep into what makes these two financial systems tick, and which might be the better choice for you. First, let's talk about centralized finance, or CeFi. CeFi involves traditional financial institutions like banks and exchanges. Think of it as the old guard of finance, where intermediaries manage transactions and hold your assets. It's got regulations, safety nets, and customer support. You know who you're dealing with, and there's a clear structure. But here's the catch. You have to trust these middlemen with your money. Now, on to decentralized finance, or DeFi. DeFi is the new kid on the block, operating on blockchain technology. It's all about cutting out the middlemen and giving power back to the users. Imagine a world where you can trade, lend, and earn interest without a bank. Transactions are transparent and smart contracts automate processes. Sounds perfect, right? But there's a flip side. Without intermediaries, the risk is all on you. If something goes wrong, there's no customer support to call. So how do CeFi and DeFi stack up against each other? In CeFi, you have established players, a sense of security and regulatory oversight, but you might face higher fees and slower transactions. In DeFi, you get lower costs, faster processes, and complete control over your assets. However, the lack of regulation can be a double-edged sword, adding risks like hacks and scams. Let's talk regulations. CeFi operates within a framework of laws and regulations designed to protect consumers. This means there's a level of trust and security built into the system. Governments and institutions keep a close watch, ensuring compliance. On the other hand, DeFi is largely unregulated. It's like the Wild West of finance. While it offers freedom and innovation, it also lacks the safety nets provided by traditional finance. So which is the better choice? It really boils down to your preferences and risk tolerance. If you value security and don't mind paying extra for peace of mind, CeFi might be the way to go. But if you're a risk taker who values control and transparency, DeFi could be your playground. In the end, both systems have their pros and cons. The key is to stay informed and make decisions that align with your financial goals. Whether you lean towards the traditional structure of CeFi or the groundbreaking possibilities of DeFi, the choice is yours. Thanks for tuning in to this ultimate showdown between CeFi and DeFi. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell. See you next time.